So what you're gonna need is an old plate, scissor, CDs, white cement and Fevicol. So the one that has purplish color is a DVD and one with greenish tint is a CD. You can choose according to your preference of color. I'll be using 3 CDs for this DIY. Cut the CDs into small pieces like so. Arrange them on a plate as you like. Paste these pieces with the help of glue. Take white cement in a bowl, add water. Mix it to a consistency like so. Transfer in a container from which you can pour the mixture easily onto the plate. Spread it evenly. Wipe off the excess very gently. Once it has dried, clean again using a damp cloth. You can use it as it is or you can add any color of your choice. I'm using pink acrylic paint. And we are done!